Caring for your mattress naturally does wonders for your health and the longevity of your mattress, sans the harsh chemicals. Here's how to achieve this. Firstly, strip the bed, removing all sheets, pillowcases, and mattress covers for separate washing. Secondly, vacuum thoroughly using an upholstery attachment, focusing on seams and crevices where dust and allergens tend to hide. Next, deodorize with a generous sprinkle of baking soda, optionally adding a few drops of lavender or tea tree oil for a fresh scent and antibacterial properties. Give this a good 15 to 30 minutes to absorb odors and moisture, then vacuum again to remove the excess. Visible stains? Mix vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and liquid dish soap for a natural solution. Gently blot stains with a clean cloth until they lift. Open your windows to kill bacteria and eliminate odors. Consider a mattress cover for future protection against dust and spills, and maintain regular routines of vacuuming and deodorizing. By following these natural cleaning methods, you ensure a healthier sleeping environment, devoid of harmful chemicals. Happy cleaning! Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts.